Hi, thanks for coming to my channel. I'm your Everyday Joe. In today's video, I'm going to be making breaded zucchini bites in the power air fry oven, so stay tuned. We appreciate you watching this video. If you want to show support to this channel, be sure to click the subscribe button. And to stay up to date on new content, when we release it, ring the notification bell. You can also visit us on our website or look for us on social networks. Now let's get into the video. What you're going to need for this recipe, this is a really simple recipe that I stole from my wife, but don't tell her. I'm going to take credit for this one. So you need a medium size zucchini. You can make more than one, it's up to you. For this recipe, I'm only going to use the one. Some breadcrumbs that I've seasoned, salt, pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper in there. Also some grated cheese I added in there, and some garlic powder and onion powder also in there. I've got an egg wash here with some seasoning, salt and pepper, and a little bit of garlic and onion powder in there. You're going to need a couple of racks, which we're going to spray with non-stick spray, and also a little bit of oil spray that we're going to cover the tops with. So what you want to do first, we're going to cut the back end here off. Don't need that one. And we're going to cut rings, probably about a quarter inch rings, about that size there. Don't want them too thick because they're going to be soggy in the middle. So we're just going to cut this up. Okay. So all we're going to do is we're going to dip it in some egg wash, then into the breadcrumbs and onto the rack. So before we get started, I'm going to spray the rack, just a little bit of cooking spray or olive oil if you don't have it. And put a few of them in there, get a little egg wash on them, then dip them into the breadcrumbs here. And I only do one pass of this, you don't need that much. You just want to pack it in and make sure you tap out the loose stuff. And take the next one. Like I said, this is a really simple recipe. Just cover that up, tap it down. And these are good for snacks, they're good for side dishes. You can use it for just about anything. You can eat them anytime you want. Okay, do that. Okay, I'm going to continue to do the rest, and when I get done, I'll show you the setup, and we'll get it into the power air fry oven. All right, now I've got all these set up here. I needed 2 racks for 1 zucchini, so if you're going to use more than one, you're probably going to take a couple of racks. So now that they're all breaded, I'm just going to give them a light spray with this garlic oil. So just give it a light spray, just on the top. I'm not worried too much about the bottom because we sprayed the rack on the bottom, so this should be all set here. Now I'm going to take these, put them in the power air fry oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes or until they start roasting. I don't want it to burn on the outside. So 400 for about 10 minutes, and I'll see you when they come out. They've come out. I've set them up on a plate here. I'm going to use ranch dressing. I've also garnished it with some chives. I've increased the time at temperature 400, not for 10 minutes. I added a couple more minutes because I did use 2 racks. So when you swap them out, obviously you're going to lose a little heat when you open that door. So I added about 3 or 4 minutes to it. So the cooking time ranges between 10 to 15 minutes depending on when they get nice and toasted. So here you have it, and that's what they look like here. We're going to eat a couple of these. These things are great for snacks or even as side dishes. So they have a nice crust to them. Yeah, you can taste the seasoning. It comes out nicely using the air fryer. And we're going to dip it into some of this ranch dressing. It goes really nice with ranch or blue cheese dressing. So give these a shot. Put down some comments if you do make them and let me know what you think. If you like them, give me a thumbs up. If you like the video, go ahead and share it, and I'll see you in the next video.